a serum containing. Hi and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to talk to you about some skincare active ingredient that should be in your skincare products and how much time it takes to work and who should be using this ingredient in order to solve problems such as acne, melasma, pimple, treating hypopigmentation and wrinkles, also including dark circles. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Our first topic is about acne. So for acne I have ingredients such as salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is one of the such ingredient that is very recommended to people who have acne prone skin. Salicylic acid should not be used for dry skin people. That is because dry skin people, it may dry you out more, and drying you out will make your skin barrier damage, which you don't want. Salicylic acid is more effective when it is used in serum based product, and that is because serum is one of the product that has the texture which makes it absorb faster into your skin, but also make it last longer onto your skin, so which is very nice for treating and using an active ingredient. As you are using an active ingredient, you need it to be on your skin in order to make it work better. It takes about 2 weeks to let you know that the product is started working on your skin. So give it a 2-week try and then see if you can see a little bit of difference in your skin condition. It takes around 6 to 8 weeks in order to complete its result, to show its complete result. So you need to be patient in order to use salicylic acid. Give it 6 to 8 weeks and it will give you result after that time. What you should be mixing with salicylic acid is hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Now niacinamide or nicotinamide is both same thing, and hyaluronic acid and niacinamide are the only two ingredients that should be mixing with salicylic acid. Do not mix any other exfoliating or active ingredients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, ferulic acid, mandelic acid, azelaic acid and many more. Just remember to use hyaluronic acid. You can also use ceramides moisturizers with it, and niacinamide. Then we have benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is one of the active ingredient that is talked a lot like salicylic acid, but very few known to people. Benzoyl peroxide is very similar to salicylic acid. Again, it is made for oily combination skin people and oily combination acne prone skin people. It is not made for dry skin people. It will again dry you out very easily and damage your skin barrier. It is very effective when benzoyl peroxide is used in products such as face wash. Dermatologists usually recommend using benzoyl peroxide as a face wash product. It takes around 4 weeks to show you that the product is started working on your face. It takes around 3 to 4 months to show its complete result on your face, and it will take 3 to 4 months. Not strong as salicylic acid, but not very less stronger than salicylic acid. So it will take around 3 to 4 months. You should be mixing hyaluronic acid and niacinamide with benzoyl peroxide. Try not mixing any other active ingredient, as well as when I said about salicylic acid, try not mixing any other ingredient with benzoyl peroxide as well. Then we have retinol, which is for all skin types. Any skin type people can use retinol. Just remember that if some of people who have allergies or who don't like using retinol, they may have different skin conditions according to their type, or they may just not like it. It's up to them, but retinol is usually recommended for all skin type people. It is a very good treatment and a very good ingredient in order to treat acne. If you don't know more about retinol and want to know, then just let me in the comment below and I will tell you when to start and at what time you should be using and at what age you should be using, also what percentage you should start with. We all know that retinol should always be used in night, but remember it makes your skin more sensitive. Don't forget to use SPF in the morning, and at night, I mean to say, use retinol in more like a spot treatment or a gel based product. That is because being in a serum, it won't give you more result than in the gel based product. It takes around a week to show that it started working on your skin. If your skin is extremely damaged from sunburn or from any skin problem due to acne, then it will take around 12 weeks to show you that it started working on your skin. You should be using niacinamide and hyaluronic acid to make retinol work even more better, and that is because niacinamide and hyaluronic acid are only two ingredients that you can mix with retinol and should not be used with any other active ingredient. Then we have clindamycin phosphate. Now clindamycin phosphate is one of the ingredient that is very few known, and when prescribed to patients, the patients are not very known to this ingredient, and that is because it is not as famous as salicylic acid. Clindamycin phosphate is one of the ingredient that is used to treat acne and acne problems. Now this ingredient is for oily combination acne prone skin, not for again dry skin. That is because it is very drying on your skin. So for dry skin people, don't use clindamycin phosphate. The corner of this ingredient is that clindamycin phosphate should always be used with any other active ingredient in the packaging. It should not be used outer of the packaging. You cannot mix clindamycin phosphate with other ingredient on your palm, but remember to use clindamycin phosphate with another ingredient that is mentioned on the packaging. For example, clindamycin phosphate and niacinamide gel, you can use that to treat your acne, and that is because clindamycin phosphate alone cannot be used, which makes the clindamycin formula to separate after few weeks, and it will stop working on your skin, and you will find that your skin is not getting any better. It's just staying the way that it is. Clindamycin phosphate should be used as a spot treatment. I recommend using a gel base cream that include clindamycin phosphate and other ingredients like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid, just these two, and that will give you a fair result as well. Please wait 20 minutes after using clindamycin product. That is because after 20 minutes you can use any product, and while giving 20 minutes to clindamycin phosphate, you're giving it time to absorb into your skin, and that is because clindamycin takes around 20 minutes to get into your skin deeply and realize that what it has to treat for. It starts to work in about 3 weeks. After 3 weeks you will realize that your skin started getting a bit better from the use of clindamycin phosphate. It will complete its work in around 1 month and 15 days. So the complete result will be shown after 1 month and 15 days. Clindamycin phosphate can be used with other active ingredients such as niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Please don't use any other ingredient. Then we have niacinamide. I have been talking about niacinamide since the starting, so you have now a bit of information about it. Niacinamide is made for all skin type people. It is not just a very nice ingredient, but also it helps to treat acne. Compared to other ingredient, niacinamide goes a bit slow, but it treats very well. Any product that contains niacinamide serum can be used to treat acne, but just remember that niacinamide does take a lot of time to work on your skin. It will take around 3 weeks to show that it started working. It will take around 12 weeks, meaning 3 months, to show its complete result on your skin. Niacinamide can be used with any of the other active ingredients. Then we have AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, and alpha hydroxy acid is mainly known to use in mask. Now this is again made for oily combination and acne prone skin and other skin conditions also, like for treating hyperpigmentation. I usually recommend AHA, alone AHA, not including BHA, alone AHA for combination and normal skin also, not for dry skin, because it may dry you out a little bit if you notice it. But if you are using an AHA, just remember that to top it up with a heavy moisturizer or a hydrating moisturizer that will keep your skin hydrated all day long. AHA is very most effective when it is used as a mask or used in a serum based product. It takes around 2 weeks to show that AHA started working on your skin. It takes around 12 weeks to show that AHA started, and it will give you the complete final result after 12 weeks. AHA can be used with other active ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Other than that, please don't use anything. Then we have sulfur. Sulfur is a very not talked about ingredient, and that is because maybe many people don't know about sulfur, but I've been through a lot of experience of this ingredient. That is because I've been struggling a lot through acne problems and hyperpigmentation, so that's why I know it all. And sulfur is one of the ingredient that is made for all skin type people, even dry skin people, all skin type people can use sulfur. It takes around 4 weeks to show the result that it started working on your skin. Sulfur can be used on any based product. It is not very necessary to use it in serum based or in moisturizer. Sulfur can be used in any based product. It is mostly effective in creams like moisturizer. It takes around 4 weeks to show you that it started working on your skin. It takes around 12 weeks to give you the complete result on your skin. Can be mixed with niacinamide and zinc. Then we have green tea. Green tea is for all skin type people. Green tea is more effective when used in a toner and a moisturizer. So toner containing green tea and moisturizers containing green tea will be more effective than using it in a serum or any other skincare product. It takes about 2 weeks to show that it started working on your skin, and it takes about 1 to 2 months to give you the complete result. Green tea can be mixed with all other ingredients. We have aloe, and which I mean aloe vera. Aloe vera is for all skin type people. Personally, aloe vera doesn't suit me, so if it doesn't suit you, you're like me person. So aloe vera is one of the ingredients that is very anti-inflammatory and antibiotics as well. So aloe vera is used by the all skin type people. Aloe vera is very effective when it is used in a product such as moisturizers containing aloe. It takes around 2 weeks and 5 days to show you that it started working on you. It takes around 4 weeks to 7 weeks to show you the result, the final result of your skin. Aloe vera can be mixed with all other ingredients. Now we are going to talk about the active ingredient that should be used to treat brightening and melasma. First is vitamin C. We all know about vitamin C. Personally, I recommend other active ingredients rather than vitamin C, but people who like vitamin C, good to go, and I'm not judging anyone, and it's all up to their choice. Who likes vitamin C, they will use it. Who like malic acid, they will use their choice active ingredient. First is vitamin C. It is made for all skin type people. Any skin type people can use vitamin C to treat melasma and brighten. Vitamin C is more effective when used in products such as serum. Vitamin C works very better when it is used in AM routine and also in PM routine. So just make sure that you're using in both day and night. Not even day and night, then just make sure that you're using at least in the daytime. It takes around 2 weeks to show its work, that it started working on your skin. Final result, it takes around 12 weeks. Mix vitamin C with other ingredients such as niacinamide, and it will help it to work better, and also hyaluronic acid will help it make work better onto your skin. So remember not to use more than one active ingredient in one routine, saying that use one in AM and use another in PM. Alpha arbutin. Alpha arbutin is one of the very known active ingredient to treat melasma and to brighten your skin. Arbutin is very effective when it is used in a product such as lotions and serum. One-time use of alpha arbutin is enough to treat your brightening problem and also to treat the melasma. Also, if you want to use it both time day and night, it is very fine as well. It takes around 4 weeks to show you that it started working on your skin, so just be patient. It takes around 8 weeks to show the complete result of alpha arbutin. Alpha-arbutin can be mixed with vitamin C, kojic acid, facial acids, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. It can be used with other active ingredients, but not very strong, but just a mild active ingredient that are not really strong, which will exfoliate your skin, but will do better. We have azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is one of the acid which is made for all skin type people. Acid is more effective when it is used in serum based products. Don't forget that azelaic acid is mostly prescribed ingredient, so just make sure that it is prescribed. Even not prescribed, start using azelaic acid from the very least proportion. It will take about 6 weeks to show azelaic acid its result that it started working on your skin. It will take about 2 months to show azelaic acid the final result that it should be giving. It will just take 2 months. You can mix azelaic acid with hydroxy acid and antioxidant. Then we have niacinamide, and I have already told you and gave you a lot of information on niacinamide before. If you haven't watched it, just rewind the video and you can watch it. Retinol. Retinol is also one of the ingredients that is used for brightening agent as well, and it is very effective ingredient while using for a brightening purpose, and for treating melasma it is also very nice. We have salicylic acid, and you will ask me why salicylic acid. That is because salicylic acid is not only made for acne, but also it is a BHA, which means it exfoliates your skin very calmly, smoothly, without letting you know. So that is one of the very pro point of this ingredient. And also salicylic acid will help with the brightening agent as well, and it will do take some time, but definitely will give you result. We have mandelic acid. Mandelic acid is made for all skin type people. Mandelic acid is very effective when it is used in a product such as serum. Mandelic acid should be used only 2 to 3 times per week. If you are very new to mandelic acid, then just use 2 to 3 per week. That's all. Don't use it regularly. It will take around 1 to 2 weeks to start working and to show you that it is suiting your skin and it started working on your skin condition. Around 4 to 7 weeks to give you the complete result. You can mix mandelic acid with other hydrators, including hyaluronic acid and other hydrating ingredient, but try not mixing it with AHA or BHA. Then we have lactic acid, which is also an AHA, and I have already told you what AHA is for which skin people, what it does, what it doesn't. So I have already give you a lot of information on that. We have kojic acid, and kojic acid is mostly prescribed as a spot. Kojic acid is made for all skin type people. Kojic acid should always be used from the low percentage. If you are new to kojic acid, then try also consulting your dermatologist. Even not, if you don't want to do that, then just use a very less percentage of kojic acid, but do try to do a patch test on your skin before directly using it on your face. It works better when it is used with other brightening agents such as mandelic acid. It will take around 4 weeks to show that it started working on your skin and it is suiting your skin completely. Take about 12 weeks to show you the complete result and give you the complete result that you desired when you started using kojic acid. Now we are going to talk about licorice root, and licorice root is one of the main ingredients to treat melasma and hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and it is made for all skin type people. If people have dermatitis and eczema, this is one of the best ingredients to treat. For dermatitis, just mix it with aloe vera and you are getting one of the best ingredients to treat it. Mix aloe vera with licorice root powder and you are good to go. It is good if you use licorice root in a serum based product. It takes around 3 weeks to let it suit on your skin and give you some hint that it is started working on your skin condition. It takes around 4 weeks to show you and give you the complete result. Licorice root also works very well while mixing with other brightening agents such as kojic acid, vitamin C. Let's go and talk about anti-aging. Our first ingredient for anti-aging is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is made for all skin type people. Anyone can use it. It is one of the most best and top hydrating ingredient that comes when we talk about hydrating ingredients. It is the top most recommended by the dermatologist. What hyaluronic acid do is to plump your skin from inside out. Hyaluronic acid is more effective when it is used in lotion based product. Now while saying lotion, I don't mean lotioning, moisturizer and all. It is a liquid that should be used, which is in form of toner, that should be used on your skin. And hyaluronic based lotions are very hydrating for your skin problems, and it will give you very hydration for a longer period of time. Hyaluronic acid can also be used in serum base, and it is also very effective when used a serum based hyaluronic acid, saying that hyaluronic acid serum or other ingredient that contains hyaluronic acid. It takes around 1 week to show you that it started suiting on your skin and it started working on your skin. You will automatically feel after 1 week that your skin is feeling more of plump from inside out. It shows its complete work in 3 weeks. Then we have vitamin C for anti-aging, and I already gave you a lot of information on that. Then we have collagen. Collagen should be used by all skin type people and above 18 age. If you are above 18, then use collagen. Collagen can be used in moisturizers. Collagen can be used as a drinking purpose. Now for drinking purpose, there are different collagens for drinking and there are different collagens to take as a supplement. It's all up to you which one to choose. Take a supplement or a drinking collagen or the collagen that is in moisturizer. If you ask me, I will suggest you to use in a moisturizer. Usually collagens work better when they are used in essence based products. So if you are using essence, just make sure that you are having collagen in it, because it is one of the ingredient that will make your face go elasticity and it will help your skin to not age fast. It takes about 12 weeks to show its result, that it's started working on your skin and it's suiting your skin and it's recognizing what your skin problem is. Also start working in 12 weeks on your skin problem. It takes around 6 months to completely show its result on your skin. Then we have retinol. Retinol should be used above 18 age, and I told you a lot other information on retinol. Now we have green tea, and green tea is used by all skin type people, and I already gave you a lot of information on that. Then we have ceramides. Ceramides can be used by all skin type people. Ceramides are more effective when used in moisturizer. It takes around 5 days to show you that it starts working on your skin and it is starting to suit your skin completely. It takes around 1 to 3 months to give you a complete full result. Ceramides are more effective when used with amino acid and glycerin. Then we have vitamin E. Vitamin E for dry and normal skin people. For oily and combination skin people, look for vitamin E in product mixed with other ingredient, but do not directly use vitamin E on your face. For oily and combination skin people, for dry and normal skin people, vitamin E is a good choice, whether use a direct capsule on your skin or dilute it with other ingredients such as rose water or something else, but this is a good option for dry skin and normal skin people. Vitamin E is more effective when it is used in sunscreen, moisturizers, serum and essence and toner. Vitamin E works immediately when it is used directly on your skin, saying that vitamin E capsules, when it is directly used on the skin, it shows its result immediately. It will give you the shine. But when used in a product, it will take around 3 weeks to show you the result that it started working on your skin. And for a complete result, it will take around 4 to 5 weeks. Then we have glycolic acid. Now glycolic acid is one of the acid that is used for anti-aging as well. It is mostly used by normal and combination people. For drying skin, it will be very drying, so don't use it. Glycolic acid is also very strong acid. You can say that it is a type of AHA. Glycolic acid should be used at night like as retinol, and it should not be used in daytime. Just remember that when you are using glycolic acid, don't forget to apply SPF in the daytime. When you are new to glycolic acid, use twice a week and do not use more than that. This is one of the ingredients that exfoliates your skin, so just remember to be very gentle with your skin, and whenever using glycolic acid, top it up with a very hydrating moisturizer or any product that is very hydrating on your skin. It takes around 4 weeks to show you the result that it is started working on your skin. Give it 8 weeks, and after 8 weeks it will give you the complete result on your skin. Glycolic acid should not be mixed with any other active ingredient. It can only be mixed with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Now we have jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is made for all skin type people. It is better if we use jojoba oil in oil based products such as an oil coming like in squalene. Oily people, try to mix it with moisturizer and use every other day, not daily. And for dry skin people, you can use jojoba oil every single day without mixing it with moisturizer. You can directly use it on your skin. It takes around 6 weeks to show you that it started working on your skin. It is suiting your skin very well. When I say suiting your skin, it doesn't mean that it will give you pimple when it will not suit. When I say suiting your skin or it will start showing work, it means that after 6 weeks you realize some of your skin problem started fading away, and for the complete result it will take around 7 weeks. We have caffeine. Caffeine is one of the ingredients that is made for all skin type people. Caffeine is very effective when you use it in mask like caffeine mask for anti-aging, or you have seen the trend where people pour coffee in and then add other ingredient such as aloe vera, milk, and then use it as a mask. That was very effective as well. I personally don't do a lot of DIYs. I do those DIYs which are recommended by the dermatologist. Use it in mask. It is very effective, and also it gives you the immediate result. It takes around 5 weeks to show its result when used in a product that it started working on the skin. For the complete result, it will take around 7 weeks. So just have patience. You can mix caffeine with hyaluronic acid and other active ingredients as well. Now let's talk about dark circles. Dark circles is one of the problems that we all go through at certain age. One is caffeine. Caffeine is one of the topmost ingredient that comes when to treat for dark circles. If you are looking for an eye cream, look for coffee in your ingredient. Very effective to treat dark circles when use it in eye creams most. Use 3% of caffeine. I mean that the ingredient should include 3% of caffeine, because 3% is very effective while using for dark circles. It takes around 3 weeks to let it work on your dark circles, and after 3 weeks you will realize it is not completely gone, but it will sure show you some results saying that some of it are faded away and it will become lighter. It will take around 3 months to give you the complete result. Ice, not in any product, but not for sensitive skin as well. Ice is for those people who have dark circles. Just use ice on those areas. Remember that do not use directly ice, and if you want to use directly ice, just keep it for 5 seconds. If you are using indirectly, like packing it in a cloth or like wrapping a tissue around it, then using it, then also just make sure that you are using it for 5 seconds. 5 seconds under the eye, then 5 seconds different under the eye, and then 5 seconds on top, and then 5 seconds on top. That is done. You only need that much. More time will affect you and will give you cold sensations, and because of that cold sensation you may get cold burn, which you don't want. So just use it for 5 seconds. It takes around 2 weeks to give you some results, that is has lightened your dark circle. It takes around 4 weeks to give you the complete result. We have vitamin C, and I gave you all the information about vitamin C before. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave your comment below and do subscribe to my channel.